Here we have the disconnect button here. Here, next monitor, we have our monitors right here. We can choose between both of them, 1 and 2. I have 2 monitors on my computer. I can do all monitors in one window. And I'll switch over. I can see both of my monitors here. Just go back to one monitor. This one right here will go to the next monitor. If I click on it, it shows the next one. It scrolls through. Here we have the sizes. I can change the size of my desktop here. Right. Okay, here we have full screen. I'm out of full screen. Here, Control Alt Delete. Actions. I happen to be on a Macintosh, so I can't press Control Alt Delete on my computer here, but I can do it with this button here. Awesome. Very cool. I couldn't figure that out earlier. These are actions, lock keyboard, etc. Here is file transfer. I'll go over that in another video. I could record this session. Put a message. All right.